Alright, ever asked a question from Google Gemini and got a totally useless answer? Maybe that's a bad prompt in action. Let me help you unlock the power of Google Gemini, starting with crafting some awesome prompts. So first, let's try with this prompt. Tell me which is better, the Toyota Highlander or a Honda Pilot? It's too vague. Better for what? Bowling elephants or winning races? It can give you some information, but those may be just the random facts. So how can we make this prompt better? So let's delete this one and then get a better prompt. I already created this prompt for myself and then I'm just copy and pasting it here. I'll read the prompt for you. I'm considering buying either a Toyota Highlander or a Honda Pilot. I need a reliable SUV with plenty of space for my family of 5 and our dog. We often go on road trips and need good cargo capacity. I also value fuel efficiency and safety feature. And then you're asking to compare two cars here, and then you're providing more information that on what different points you want to compare these cars on: interior space and comforts, fuel economy, safety features, reliability and maintenance, infotainment system and technology. And then you want to get some significant advantage and disadvantage of each model. And then you want to get this information in a tabular form so that it is easier to read and you can export that information. Let's see what we get here. So once we give that prompt, Gemini is doing its magic. And then it gives you all the information, whatever the different categories you were asking the difference on, like feature, interior space and comfort, Toyota Highlander and Pilot, third row sitting, cargo space, overall comfort, fuel economy, city, fuel economy in terms of city, highway, combined, safety features, key technology, crash testing ratings, reliability and maintenance, then predicted reliabilities, typical maintenance cost, and then you get the key takeaways and the recommendations as well. So, and then you can go ahead and export this information to either docs and wherever you want to store this information. So you see the difference? You have all the details now. Now Gemini can really work its magic. So with a good prompt, you get targeted information, not just the random facts. So use a good prompt and let Google Gemini find the answers you need. Hope you liked the video and keep writing good prompts and let me know how did Google Gemini help you. Thanks. Bye-bye.